Okay guys, so it's demolition time. We need to get rid of this lean-to. We need to knock down a couple of walls inside and rebuild them so they're load bearing to take the weight of the steels for the dormer. Let's get on with it.
Breaking. So here's the back view. First lift, second lift. Second lift goes all the way around up the top for the dormer. First lift goes all the way around the whole building. So we can get on to do the, we can get up there nice and easy now.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want to follow us through this project, hit subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.